Because of low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. Since it was a cave, so the light that was coming from out, it was very low. So that was making it very oppressive, यानी कि बहुत ही डल और डिंजी लग रहा था. To remedy this, तो इसे ठीक करने के लिए father and Jack rigged up a new light. So they set a new light for that. Now for that, what did they do? They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. तो एक लंबा सा बैम्बू पोल उन लोगों ने ढूंढा और जो फ्लोर से सीलिंग तक टच हो सके. देन आफ्टर सिक्योरिंग इट, that means after making it straight, Jack climbed onto the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. So after making that pole stand over there, they hung a oil lamp which they had saved from the ship. Next, one day they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled. Trampled means crushed and ruined. There were huge footmarks everywhere. So one day what happened, they had huts other than the cave also. So one day they found that the huts were destroyed and the fields which they were growing some crops or fruits or vegetables, they had been crushed. And they saw very huge big footmarks over there. Father saw massive damage to trees as well. तो वहाँ पे जो trees थे उनको भी काफ़ी नुकसान पहुँचा था, डैमेज हुआ था उनका. As well as many huge footprints which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. So these huge footprints were of the elephant's herd. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. So the next morning, they decided that they should have something so that these wild animals do not, destroy their land or their huts. So they all finalized their ideas about the new residence. तो एक नया रेसिडेंस बनाने का उन्होंने सोचा, एक नया लिविंग प्लेस जहाँ से उन्हें ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं लाइक दिस वाइल्ड एनिमल्स दे वुड नॉट ट्रबल देम. So rather than building a house on stilts which the elephants could knock down easily, they would use 4 strong trees growing on a square near one another as the foundation. So instead of using the long stilts यानी कि long pieces of woods to support the building, they thought of making a house on a tree, on 4 trees which were in a square position. Okay, so that they can use that and they can make their trees above that, house above that. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus they built another safe home. So they found a place where they had found 4 trees, at 12 feet apart from each other, and they built another safe home so that animals and all that could not destroy it and they could live there safely. Now they had got along well with this lifestyle, and then 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men. So ये जो छोटे बच्चे थे वो अब बड़े हो चुके थे. 10 years हो गया था उन्हें इस आइलैंड पर, एंड देयर पेरेंट्स वर वेरी प्राउड. दे कॉल्ड द आइलैंड न्यू स्विट्ज़रलैंड. मैनी एडवेंचर्स अकर्ड ओवर द ईयर्स. तो अब वो वहाँ पे रह रहे थे, many things happened over there, many adventures occurred, and they called this place as New Switzerland. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross. So shore of another island. So here this shows that they used to travel by sea also, and Fritz, who was the elder son, he knocked down an albatross who was threatening to attack, and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. Now albatross is a large bird. Now this bird was trying to attack Fritz, so Fritz knocked him down. यानी कि उसको मार गिराया उसने. एंड देन ही फाउंड अ रैग. रैग इज अ पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ टाइड टू दैट बर्ड्स लेग. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. So on the rag, the piece of cloth, it was written that an English woman had been stranded. यानी कि she was in trouble over there on the smoking rock. Now your smoking rock would mean a volcanic mountain, and stranded means she was left alone and helpless on that volcanic rock. Now Fritz had no idea how old the message was, of course. So he was not sure कि ये जो message है वो कब का है. His father suggested that smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. So his father showed the father this message, and his father told him that this might be a reference to a volcano. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, since there were no volcanoes in their vicinity, in the place, in the area where they are living, so in the vicinity means close to the area which they live, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. So they also came to a conclusion कि ये bird जो है बहुत ही दूर से उड़ के आया होगा, कुछ hundreds of miles away. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. तो फ्रिट्स जो था जिसे ये मैसेज मिला, he felt that somebody needed his help and he was very determined that he should help that person who sent this message. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag, retied it to the albatross leg, and he watched the bird fly off. So before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag. देन बिफोर रिटर्निंग होम यानी कि घर लौटते समय उसने अपना एक नोट उस एल्बेट्रॉस की लेग पे बांधा और उस बर्ड को छोड़ दिया. द नोट टोल्ड हूएवर रिसीव्ड इट डू नॉट डिस्पेयर. तो उसने इस नोट पे क्या लिखा था फ्रिट्स ने कि डू नॉट डिस्पेयर, हेल्प इज़ नियर. सो इज टेलिंग द पर्सन कि दुखी मत होना, somebody is here to help you. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman, Jenny Montrose. Though shy at first, soon she got too used to living with the Robinson family. So this adventure happened. Fritz rescued this woman who was stranded on that volcano. She was Jenny Montrose. She was shy at first, then she became used to living with the Robinson family. तो वो लोग सब साथ में बहुत ही खुशी से रहने लगे. One day they saw a ship which had laid anchor. So it never happened on the island where they stayed. Suddenly one day they saw a ship which had halted over there, यानी कि जिसने एंकर डाला था, यानी कि the ship had come to that island. An encampment had been set up on one of the smaller islands. और वहाँ के जो लोगों ने वहाँ पे कैंपिंग साइट बना के वहाँ पे छोटे से आइलैंड में वहाँ पे कैंपिंग की थी. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves. So first before introducing them to the people of the ship, Fritz and his father, they checked the people, who were they, how were they, through their spyglasses. They had spyglasses to check them. And then they announced themselves, यानी कि उन्होंने फिर अपने आप को जाके वहाँ पर इंट्रोड्यूस किया. After they had returned home and cleaned it up. Now they announced themselves after they returned home, cleaned up, यानी कि अपने आप को बहुत ही साफ सुथरा बनाया. Why? Because they did not want the crew, the ship people, to think that they were savages, यानी कि wild. क्योंकि उनकी हालत तभी ऐसी थी, वो लोग तब बाहर घूम रहे थे, and they were a little dirty. So they thought these people might think that we are wild, यानी कि जो जंगली होते हैं वो. So they cleaned themselves and then they introduced themselves to the crew.